Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we transform houses into homes with heart. Today, we're diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, transitioning your farmhouse from Christmas chaos to cozy winter bliss. We're talking warm woods, soft fabrics, and that effortless lived-in charm that makes farmhouse style so irresistible. If you're ready to create a space that feels like a warm hug all winter long, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a comment below telling me your favorite farmhouse element. I read every single one. Let's start where first impressions begin, your farmhouse facade. After the holiday lights come down, don't let your exterior fall flat. Think natural wreaths made from eucalyptus or dried wheat bundles on your front door. Board and batten siding painted in classic white or soft grayish creates that authentic farmhouse aesthetic. Add vintage-inspired lanterns flanking your entrance, and consider a wooden bench with cozy plaid cushions. Window boxes filled with evergreen branches and birch logs stacked beside your door bring organic texture. The key is creating layers of warmth that say "Welcome home" before anyone even steps inside. Your entryway sets the entire mood, friends. After Christmas, swap those holiday hooks for sturdy wooden pegs or wrought iron coat racks, perfect for winter layers. A reclaimed wood bench with woven baskets underneath keeps shoes organized while adding rustic charm. Mount a large wooden framed mirror to bounce light and create space. Layer a jute runner with a smaller pattern mat for visual interest and practicality. Add a galvanized metal tray for keys and a ceramic bowl for pocket items. A simple wooden ladder leaning against the wall displays throw blankets beautifully. This transitional space should be both functional and inviting. The living room is where farmhouse style truly shines, especially post-holiday. Start with your foundational pieces. A linen or cotton slip-covered sofa in neutral tones creates that relaxed vibe. Layer in chunky knit throws and an abundance of textured pillows in cream, oatmeal, and soft grays. Your coffee table should be substantial. Think reclaimed wood or weathered oak. Style it simply with a wooden dough bowl filled with dried hydrangeas, a stack of vintage books, and pillar candles in hurricane glass. Shiplap walls or exposed beams overhead amplify the farmhouse aesthetic. The secret is mixing refined and rustic elements seamlessly. Let's talk about making that sofa irresistibly inviting. The farmhouse philosophy is all about comfort without sacrificing style. Choose a deep-seated sofa with rolled arms or English arms for classic appeal. Now here's the fun part, layering textiles. Start with larger linen pillows at the back. Add smaller patterned ones in ticking stripes or grain sack prints, then finish with a textured accent pillow. Drape a cable knit or waffle weave throw casually over one arm. Position the sofa to face your focal point, whether that's a fireplace or a large window. Add a vintage wooden stool as a side table for ultimate functionality and charm. Your dining room deserves special attention as we transition from holiday feasting to everyday warmth. A substantial farmhouse table, preferably solid wood with visible grain and character, is essential. Keep the tabletop relatively simple with a linen runner down the center, a wooden tray holding pillar candles, and perhaps a simple ceramic pitcher with dried grasses or cotton stems. Surround your table with mismatched wooden chairs or a combination of chairs and a bench for that collected over time feel. A vintage-inspired chandelier with Edison bulbs overhead creates ambient lighting. Open shelving displaying ironstone dishes and wooden cutting boards adds farmhouse authenticity. The farmhouse kitchen is truly the soul of the home, friends. After the holiday baking marathon, simplify and refresh. Open shelving or glass front cabinets showcase everyday dishes and vintage glassware. Paint cabinets in soft white, cream, or even a muted sage green. Your countertops should be practical. Butcher block, marble, or soapstone work beautifully. Style your counters minimally. A vintage bread box, wooden cutting boards leaning against the backsplash, and fresh herbs in galvanized containers near the window. Keep your refrigerator classic white or stainless steel, and position a small vintage-style coffee maker on a dedicated coffee station with wooden canisters for beans and sugar. Let's create those magazine-worthy kitchen moments. Your farmhouse sink, preferably an apron front design, is a natural focal point. Add a vintage-inspired faucet in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black. On your counters, group items in odd numbers for visual appeal. 3 wooden spoons in a ceramic crock, a cluster of varying height candles on a wooden tray. Replace harsh lighting with pendant lights featuring metal shades in aged finishes. Don't forget the window treatment. Simple cafe curtains in linen or a Roman shade in ticking stripe fabric. These carefully curated details create cohesion throughout your space without overwhelming it. Your family room should be the ultimate relaxation zone. Position your flat-screen TV on a rustic media console made from reclaimed wood. This grounds the technology in farmhouse warmth. Flank it with tall wooden candlesticks or vintage-inspired lanterns. Arrange seating in a conversational layout with oversized sectionals or multiple sofas facing each other. A large ottoman with a wooden tray serves as both footrest and coffee table. Add texture through layered rugs. Start with a large jute or sisal base, then layer a vintage-inspired Persian or Kilim rug. Baskets tucked beside seating hold extra throws and magazines for easy access. Creating a functional workspace within farmhouse aesthetics is absolutely achievable. Choose a smaller-scale wooden desk, perhaps an antique writing desk or simple farm table. Position it near a window for natural light. Add a vintage wooden chair with a linen cushion for comfort during long work sessions. On your desk, keep a small retro-style radio for ambience, a unique brass or wooden desk clock, and a ceramic pencil holder. Floating shelves above display vintage books and small potted plants. A woven basket underneath corrals papers and supplies. The key is maintaining simplicity. Farmhouse style thrives when every item has purpose and beauty. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading nook, friends. Find an underutilized corner or window seat and transform it into your sanctuary. Start with a comfortable upholstered chair. A wingback in linen or a slip-covered armchair works beautifully. Position a small wooden side table within arm's reach for your coffee and current read. Add a floor lamp with a linen shade for task lighting. Layer the chair with a sheepskin throw and chunky knit pillow. A small wooden ladder shelf beside the chair displays your favorite books vertically. This intentional space encourages slowing down and savoring quiet moments throughout winter's long evenings. Your bedroom should be a serene retreat emphasizing natural materials and soft textures. A wooden bed frame, whether it's a simple plank bed or an antique iron frame, grounds the space. Dress your bed in layers: crisp white cotton sheets, a linen duvet, a chunky knit throw at the foot, and an abundance of pillows in varying sizes. Nightstands should be substantial wood pieces with drawer storage. Add ceramic table lamps with linen shades for soft lighting. A large wooden framed mirror leans casually against one wall. Keep colors neutral: whites, creams, soft grays, and warm taupes create that restful farmhouse atmosphere we're after. Let's talk about those finishing touches that elevate your farmhouse bedroom. Vintage wooden crates turned on their sides create unique bedside storage and display. A weathered wooden bench at the foot of the bed holds extra pillows and provides a place to sit while putting on shoes. Hang a simple wooden peg rack for robes or tomorrow's outfit. Window treatments should be light and airy. Linen panels in natural tones allow soft light filtration. Add a vintage rug beside the bed for warm feet on cold mornings. A wooden tray on your dresser corrals jewelry and small items while maintaining visual calm. Your bathroom deserves farmhouse treatment too. Start with your vanity. A repurposed wooden dresser with vessel sinks creates instant character, or choose a simple wooden console table fitted with undermount sinks. Your waste-to-fill faucet should have vintage-inspired detailing in oil-rubbed bronze or brushed nickel. For the shower area, classic white subway tiles with dark grout create timeless appeal. Add wooden shelving for rolled towels displayed spa-style. A vintage wooden ladder leans against the wall holding additional linens. Keep accessories minimal. A wooden tray with artisan soaps, a ceramic toothbrush holder, and perhaps a small potted plant for life. Bathrooms can feel cold without thoughtful styling. Combat this by layering soft textiles throughout. Choose thick cotton bath mats in neutral tones. Layering a smaller textured mat over a larger one adds dimension. Hang substantial towels on wooden pegs or vintage-inspired hooks rather than traditional towel bars. A wooden stool holds a folded blanket-style bath towel and small basket of toiletries. If you have a freestanding tub, position a small wooden bench beside it with rolled hand towels. Add warmth through lighting too. Vintage-style sconces flanking your mirror cast flattering, ambient light that feels spa-like and inviting. Don't overlook your garage, friends. This hardworking space can embrace farmhouse style too. Install sturdy wooden shelving units or metal utility shelves for organized storage. Pegboard painted in black or dark gray provides flexible tool storage while looking intentional. Use galvanized metal buckets and wooden crates to corral smaller items. If you have space, add a rustic wooden workbench with a metal vise. It's both functional and visually appealing. Paint garage walls in light neutral tones to brighten the space. Vintage-inspired pendant lights or exposed bulb fixtures improve visibility while adding industrial farmhouse character to this often forgotten space. Your farmhouse patio creates essential indoor-outdoor connection, even in winter. Start with durable wooden furniture. Adirondack chairs or a simple wooden bench work beautifully. Add outdoor cushions in weather-resistant fabrics featuring neutral stripes or solids. String Edison bulb lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Position large galvanized planters with evergreens or winter-hardy plants near seating areas. A wooden coffee table or repurposed cable spool serves drinks and snacks. Don't forget cozy elements. An outdoor rug defines the space, and a metal fire bowl or chiminea extends usability into cooler months. Layer in lanterns with pillar candles for additional warmth and light. Let's make your patio feel like an extension of your interior. Define zones just as you would inside. A seating area, perhaps a small dining spot. Use outdoor curtains in weather-resistant fabric to create privacy and softness. A vintage wooden ladder displays potted herbs or small succulents. Galvanized metal watering can serve as both decor and function. Add a wooden console table against your house exterior, styled with hurricane lanterns and a galvanized tray. Incorporate natural elements, a bundle of birch logs, a wooden toolbox filled with seasonal greenery. The goal is blurring the lines between indoor comfort and outdoor freshness. Here's what makes farmhouse style so enduring, friends. It's about authenticity, warmth, and livability. Every piece should tell a story or serve a purpose, preferably both. The beauty of transitioning from Christmas to winter farmhouse style is the simplicity. You're essentially revealing the bones of your design, those warm woods, soft fabrics, and collected treasures that make your house uniquely yours. Don't overthink it. Farmhouse style welcomes imperfection. In fact, it celebrates it. A slightly worn table, mismatched chairs, fabrics with history. These elements create soul and character that perfectly curated spaces simply cannot replicate. As we wrap up this farmhouse journey together, remember that your home should reflect your life and your family's story. The pieces I've shared are starting points, guidelines, not gospel. Maybe your farmhouse incorporates more color, or leans industrial with metal accents, or embraces Scandinavian minimalism. That's the beauty of this style. It's incredibly adaptable. Start with what you love, add pieces gradually, and don't be afraid to edit. The warmth of farmhouse design comes from intentionality, not excess. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up. It truly helps our channel grow. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration, and drop a comment sharing which room you're tackling first. Until next time, friends, keep creating spaces that feel like home.